Hey there! Thank you for downloading our welcome book, guide, template, however you want to call it. My name is Caroline. I'm the owner and founder of Trumento.com. We do graphic design, web design, and social media for hospitality brands. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can style our template to your brand. So we have the rectangular version of the template, and then we also have this circular version, so that's already like one design choice that you can make. And then obviously within these templates you can do a whole lot, and you can completely style this to your needs. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. Now I'm going to drag myself over here because this is the space that we are using a bit less. And first of all, let's change the logo. That's one of the important things. Go to uploads and upload your media. So your logo, and then search for it. So I'm going to just grab a logo from one of our previous clients. I do recommend checking out what color your logo has. So here we have a white version, and here you could really add anything. So yeah, just see which one works best for you. In this case, let's just add this one. The only thing you need to do is you just drag it there and you drop it, and same obviously happens here if we would drag it over there. So you can see that maybe the second cover works best for you. So that's already one thing. We have two cover options in each template. So you can pick whichever one you like best. For example, this one or this one. And that's the same in the circular version. We have this cover option, but also this one. So use whichever one you like best. Okay, the next step, let's change those colors. So we have a pretty orangey logo here, and for this specific brand, I know that in their style guide we use a lot of very light colors. So I'm just going to set it to match their branding, and this would probably be quite a good match. So I'm going to click here, change all, and then you can see it changes every color throughout the whole template. Now it might not look perfect, so I can just drag this around until I have the color that I want. Or you can add your color code right there. Then when you have it, just leave this on and you will see that the colors have changed all throughout the document. So it's super easy to make this your style. Now, how can you change the text? Just double click and write your name, and then write your second thing. For example, holiday home on Seneca Lake. Now obviously you want this to stay aligned, so just drag it slowly over there until it's at the same place again. You can also move this a little bit to the left if you want to, just see what works best for you. And this will also depend on which font you use. So if you want to change the font, just click on the text. If you want to change the font of multiple items, you can also hold down the Shift key on your laptop. So Shift right there. And then you can select multiple text, and you can just change the font for all of them at once. Now do make sure that after that you check that everything is still within the box and that it still looks good, okay? Obviously we can't do that for you, except if you really want us to, then do get in touch. But yeah, this is how you can basically change these things. I'm just going to revert this so that it still looks good for you guys. And I'm just going to revert it completely back to the way it was for now. Okay, so now let's have a look at how you can change, for example, these images. So make sure that you upload images of your own place, and then you can just drag them right in there. Any image will work, but if you want to change an image, for example, this is quite a rectangular image. Let's say you only want the top, then just click on it and then double click on it. And then you can drag it around so that it's right in the frame the way you want it to. Alright, so that's how that works. For these ones, let's say that you want to delete an item, then just click on it and go right here in the top right corner and click delete. And there you go, it goes away. Now let's say that you only want 2 items and you want this to look pretty, then I would recommend dragging this down so that the top is aligned to the image. That's only if you have 2 items though. If you have 3, like in our template is suggested, then this probably is the best thing you can do. The same goes actually for everything else in this whole template. For images, you just drag and drop them in there. For text, just double click on it and write your text right here. Super easy. Same goes for those titles and basically everything else that's in here. So you can go ahead and add anything as you want. Right here we have the leave a note pages. You can print these and have them for your guests to fill in basically. If you don't want a specific page, you can hit delete page. If you want to have another page, you can always duplicate the page and then just change whatever item you want to change. And then you should be good to go. The exact same thing applies here in our other template. This is actually a B&B that we just featured on our Instagram. So if you're interested in that, check out us on Instagram. And here you could just add anything that you want. So let me quickly show you what we did for one of our clients, and then you can see what you could turn this into. Alright, so here we have a welcome book, and we basically styled this to one of our clients, the Katinka it is. And basically this is what the template looks like once it is applied for them. So let me change or show you this really quick. Let's bring this back. Right. So here you can see what you can do with those, basically those icon options right here. So you can add an icon to be on top of it, just like we did here. And I will show you, well, you just scroll through this. This is not done yet, but this is how you can have an idea of what it can look like once it is styled for a specific place. And this is what it looks like for another client. And you can see that it's very easy to make this completely adjusted to your own style. So these have gotten quite a different look, yet they are the exact same template and very like on brand right now. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions, then feel free to reach out to me, preferably via Instagram or email info@fermenter.com. And that's it for this video then. So I wish you all the best with this welcome book. Bye bye.